Hey, this is Krista, and today I'm going to talk about weekly reminder campaigns. Because when you are having a business and you have coaching calls or whatever calls every week or every month, and you want to send people a reminder, hey, it's happening again, you can join here on this Zoom link, go for it. Then you do want to set something up that you do not have to send the notification out manually, but you just want to do it every week or every month, automated. Now I've created a campaign for that, and today I'm going to show you how to do that, just to make your life a lot easier. Okay, you're looking at a campaign, and this is set up a weekly campaign. I usually start with 2 tags. First, the starter tag. That's what someone gets when they start, to when you determine, okay, this person can now get these reminders. So in my case, it's when someone purchases a subscription for my weekly Q&A, they will be getting the start weekly reminder tag. And then that tag is removed, and then at the end of the whole thing, they will get a send weekly reminder email, just as long as that they are allowed to get that. Okay, so they get the trigger tag, which starts weekly reminder email, and then we go into the notifications. Now then I'm going to wait 30 minutes just because, and my these reminders are set to Thursday. So I'm going to wait 30 minutes, and then on a Sunday, so I chose to use a delay timer where every Sunday, any Sunday, any month, so it's basically every Sunday. I don't know why it says this. So, okay, at 8 a.m., they're going to get an email from me. And then where it says, hey, weekly reminder, blah, blah, blah. Or we will have our meeting on Thursday at 8:30 p.m. Then I'm going to wait. And on Tuesday, I'm going to send another reminder email, which says basically the same, Tuesday, any month. And then on Thursday, I'm going to send the email at 8:15 p.m. because 8:30 the call starts in this case. And then I'm going to remove the tags, the start and the send weekly. And then they go to the next sequence where I want them. I'm going to wait a day. So then it's Friday, and then they get the tag again, send weekly reminder email. And then here I'm going to remove the tag, or to move the contact out of the sequence, I am going to do the remove the send weekly reminder email. But because they got it, they will be pushed into here again. So basically, what happens is they get the tag here, but because they get the tag, they will be taken out of this sequence. And because they get the tag, which is also showing here, they will be pushed into that sequence. So basically, it will create a looping campaign. Very awesome, super useful, unless, of course, I'll go back to my spotlight, unless, of course, people cancel or have refunded the product or whatever, unless they get out. Now, how do I set up the emails? I have created merge fields. And the merge fields is the day of the week of the call, a PS line, the time of the call, and some other text. Now, in the email, how that looks is as follows. So, hi, contact first name, today we have, and this is then the name of the call, which can also be, of course, a merge field, but usually there's just one thing, so that doesn't change usually. So today we have our weekly meeting at, and then campaign day of the week and the campaign time of the week. This is the Zoom link. And then this is the next additional variable text, which can be, for instance, next week we'll have a holiday, or it's spring break, or because of Christmas, blah, blah, something where you say something else, and you can set a PS line. And then see you Thursday in this case. And the subject is also this week. And again, this is the merge field. Now, the reason I do that is that because I have 1, 2, 3 emails that I need to pay attention to if I want to change something other than date or time. Because if it's date or time, then I also need to change these, of course. But I do not have to go into the emails. And that saves a lot of time. So that's why I'm using the merge fields. And that is actually working pretty well. So that was it. This is how to set up a weekly reminder email. I will record a different video on how to set up a monthly on the first Wednesday of the month or something like that. How to do that with reminders. If you have questions, let me know. If you want to ask these type of questions, we also go over these on my weekly Q&A. Joining that would be amazing. If you have questions, the link is below. And please like, comment on this video. And I would say, see you next time. Bye-bye.